Hello friends, warm greetings from Aglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the one important questions from Fuzzy Logic. The question is, suppose we define the membership functions for the Lian linguistic variables heavy and light as follows. Heavy equal 0.2 by 5, 0.4 by 8, 0.6 by 12, 0.8 by 20, 1 by 30. Then light equal 0 by 30, 0.1 by 20, 0.5 by 12, then 0.8 by 8, then 1 by 5. Develop the membership functions for the following linguistic phrases. Okay. So here they are given two linguistic phrases, very heavy and not very light. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question. Here kindly note this word very. Here also very. We should remember the mathematical expression for the hedge word very. So these words very is hedge. So we are having different hedge words. So here they are given very. So the mathematical expression for the hedge very is membership function of x the whole square, which means we are going to find the square value of membership function. Okay, here the hedge word is very, then the linguistic variable is heavy. Okay, so what is the membership function for heavy? 0.2 by 5, 0.4 by 8, 0.6 by 12, 0.8 by 20, then 1 by 30. So these are the membership functions of heavy. Now I am going to find the square value of 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, then 0.8, then 1. So what is the value for very heavy? So very heavy is equal 0.2 means the square value is 0.04 divided by 5. Then 0.4 means the square value is 0.16 by 8. Then 0.6 means 0.36 by 12 plus 0.8 means square value is 0.64 by 20 plus 1 means 1 by 30. So this is the membership function for the linguistic phrase very heavy. Here just we are calculating the square of the membership function value. 0.2 means 0.04, 0.4 means 0.16, 0.6 means 0.36, 0.8 means 0.64, then 1 means 1 only. Okay. So the second thing is not very light, which means we should find the value for very light first. Then we find the value for not very light. Here the hedge word very is same for both functions, very heavy and not very light. Okay, so here they are asking light, which means we are going to find the very light membership function for light. So light is equal, very light is equal 0 means, here we are having 0. 0 means 0 by 30 plus 0 0.1 means 0 0.01 by 20 plus 0 0.5 means 0 0.25. Then 0 0.8 means 0 0.64. Next 1 means 1 by 5. So this is the membership function value for very light. But actually they are asking the not very light, which means we are going to find the 1 minus very light. So not very light is equal 1 minus very light. Okay. So previously we are having the very light value. Now we are going to find the not very light. So 1 minus 0 by 30. Next 1 minus 0 0.01 by 20. Next 1 minus 0 0.25 by 12. Next 1 minus 0 0.64 by 8. Next 1 minus 1 by 5. So what is the result now? 1 minus 0 means 1 by 30. 1 minus 0 0.01 means 0 0.99 by 20. 1 minus 0 0.25, 0 0.75 by 12. Okay. Then 1 minus 0 0.64 means 0 0.36 by 8. So next one 1 minus 1 means 0 by 5. So this is the membership function value for the linguistic phrase not very light. I hope everyone enjoying this session. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.